Hey guys, what's up? This is the first bonding together with my colleagues, and now we are going to explore the Riyadh Metro, one of the new attractions in Riyadh. And also, this is the first time bonding together with 8 Debbie, our mother deer, in our working place. And with Miss Annie, with Edward and Ian, our tour guide for today. Riyadh Metro is a rapid transit system serving Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia. Part of the King Abdullah's project for Riyadh public transport, it is the longest driverless metro in the world. The system consists of 6 lines connecting 85 stations, spanning a combined length of 176 kilometers. This is the second metro system in Saudi Arabia, after the Al-Mashar Al-Muqaddasa Metro in Mecca, the 4th on the Arabian Peninsula, 6th in the Arab world, and 15th in the Middle East. The project cost $22.5 billion to build. It was opened on December 1st, 2024. The Riyadh Metro was inaugurated by King Salman on the 27th of November 2024. The opening of the metro system, featuring lines 1, 4, and 6, took place on the 1st of December 2024. Lines 2 and 5 were opened 2 weeks later on the 15th of December with the final line, Line 3, opening on the 5th of January 2025.
Okay. Parang sa Bangkok din. Di ba sa Bangkok ganyan din?
Lines 2 and 5 were opened 2 weeks later on the 15th of December with the final line, Line 3, opening on the 5th of January 2025. On the 11th of December 2024, it was reported that the metro had garnered 1.9 million passengers in the first week of operation. By early January 2025, the metro system was confirmed to be fully operational after the launch of the Orange Line, Line 3.
Lipat ka ng blue lane, papuntang National Museum. Yun yung bata. Mas madali.
هذا القطار الذي يتوقف بمحطة Attention
bata na daw.
Actually, park, apart ng Bathabal tayo. Salang Park. Oh, malapit dito. Maganda dito sa loob.
Yung digital city na. Yung kick-up doon is financial.
Ay, parang ano talaga siya, Makati.
Pakita mo lang si Binay nandiyan.
التبديل إلى المسار الأصفر. في هذه المحطة يمكنكم التبديل إلى المسار.
Alamin mo kung anong saan papunta yung kanyang dulo mo. Para yung train mo, dun ka papunta. Minsan kasi, opposite niya. Balik ka.
Ayun yung Riyadh Boulevard. Ay, yung Riyadh Boulevard. Yung pinaka, yung kulay purple na ano.
Yung
Riyadh Boulevard.
Pala banda. Hanggang yung...
Ito yung dinadaan namin papuntang ano, papuntang Dala. Kaya pag pupunta ka doon sa mga suit room,